Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to buy a domain, DNS setting, host a domain and install WordPress on your domain using namecheap.com. Let's go to namecheap.com and look for a domain that we want to purchase. Type in search, then you'll see a list of domain that you can select from. I'm gonna go and select the cheapest one available for this video. So I'm gonna go with .xyz, which is $1 for the first year. Then after that it will be charged a regular price. So let me add that to my cart. Let me go and look for the 1 year subscription for that domain. Check out. You can see all the information. You can buy additional features if you wanna have those. You need to create an account. I will finish creating this account. You need to give a username, password. This will be the same one to log into your cPanel later on if you wanna buy hosting on the same name cheap.com. So you need to fill out all the information. You can use a gift card if you want to buy the domain, or you can use your credit card to buy the domain. You need to fill out all the information for the registration purposes. Without this information, you won't be able to purchase the domain. I will be back once I completed filling out this information. So once you complete filling information, you can see it is processing to purchase a domain. It will take a little time. Once it is done, you will land in this page. You will see how to change the DNS setup. This is just the basic information that comes with the purchase of the domain. You can go through this one. Then after that, you want to go to my account, which will be on top right corner. You can look for the domain tab, and there are a lot of other tabs that you can browse through. You can go to the dashboard, then you'll see your just purchased domain. Keep in mind that the products has only one right now, and you can click the manage. This is where your basic information about your domain is populated. You can go through this one. After that, we can go and buy the hosting for your domain, which has the expiration date for the domain. You can go through each one tab to view what are the basic informations are in there for your domain. There are a lot of products sharing to transfer your domain and advanced DNS setting. You can share your domain and transfer your domain to a different provider. Let's go to the advanced DNS setting and see what information we can see from here. This is where you can actually add on the a record, txt record and cname record. If you want to add additional informations, you can have mail forwarding. For example, if you have G Suite account, you can import their txt record, a record here, so your G Suite account will work for your domain. And rest of the informations, if you have a different provider that your hosting is done, for example HostGator, you can have their IP address listed here. You can even do the DNS template for Shopify with information. So let's go to the hosting. Let's buy a hosting for our domain. I'm just gonna buy it for a month now, since I'm not gonna be using this domain for a long time. I just created this one for this video. So I'm gonna buy the cheapest one available, which is a monthly subscription for $2.88 per month. You can do the yearly, which is cheap. I already have the domain from the Namecheap, so I'm going to do the existing domain name. If there's a third party, you bought it through the Google, then you can select your third party domain name. Mine is already populated since I purchased my domain through Namecheap. You can add to cart. You need to get the month subscription. You can add additional information for your domain here also if you want to buy it, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm just gonna leave it default for now, which should be enough for me to do the video and rest of the information. After I purchase, now I can see there are three different tabs. Previously I only have one for the domain. Now I have a hosting and the security, which comes with the hosting account. So I can go to the cPanel from there to manage my files. And this is where your website files and informations need to be stored. There's a file manager on the right side. You have all the information about your hosting, your space availability for different stuff. You have the shared IP. Since I purchased the cheapest one, I will be getting the shared IP. You can have a dedicated server for your host. So if I go to file manager, I can see there's a public underscore HTML. This is where your all the website files will be stored that will go live on the web. There are a lot of informations available. You can go through each one, but the basic information that you need to remember is file manager. That is where all the information need to go for your website. There is a database that you can create a database if you want to have a database system website. There's an email tab. You can go through that one if you want to create a webmail for your domain. There's a software tab, the domain. If you want to add another domain to this hosting, you can purchase additional domain and purchase additional hosting and add on there. The software tab has a lot of information that you can integrate. You can set up the Node.js app. You can select the PHP version for your website. And let's check the website builder. This is where the templates for your website can be installed, which are default template. You can use this template to create your website. But for this video I'm gonna show you how to install the WordPress. That is the one thing that I want to show you guys how to do it. So if you scroll all the way down, there's a WordPress. Once you click on that WordPress, you should be able to install. But remember, once you click there and start installing the WordPress, you need to fill out the information. Those information for a login to your domain WordPress need to be kept. Otherwise you need to come back here again, delete all those files from file manager, and reinstall the WordPress, which will be another headache. So you need to remember those username and password once you start installing the WordPress. So that are the basic steps that you need to remember for now. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more information about how to create a website on WordPress and other tech stuff that I will be posting in the future. Thank you for watching.